This is a 97 Astro Corvette conversion snowplow. Okay, so I took the letters out of Chevrolet and I just kind of rearranged them and made it say Corvette LH. It is what it is. Rearranged letters, twinkleberries. And then I put them here on the door. The LH is over there. Stands for left-handed, I guess. It's a left-handed Corvette. And the Astro letters, I just cut it in half and put the RO before the AST. So now it's a Corvette roast. And yes, sir, she's an all-wheel drive, or else it couldn't be doing this. Plow is like super lightweight. Can lift it with one hand. Its curve keeps it on the ground. This curved plastic used to be like a kid's slide. These bars, these bigger ones, they're like parts of trampolines. These smaller ones, I have no idea. These curved ones, the goldish colored ones, some kind of a piece of furniture. The winch is the cheapest winch I ever bought. I think it was 35 bucks. Thanks, China. The only moving part is this bolt right here. That's what I consider the cheer pin, because if I hit anything hard, that will break. Yeah, she's just a maze of freaking tubes. Got some corner markers that go right to the tip, help guide you around a little crap. Goes right down to the tip. What we got inside, factory steering wheel from the Astro, factory radio, custom cracks, no room for a passenger seat, spare shear bolts for the plow, we got the gauge package, we got the seat out of a Caravan, we got a useless shifter, does nothing. Absolutely nothing. Rigged it up differently so that you don't have to do the pullback. You can actually use your hand to shift and to do the winch. So I moved the shifter down here. That's reverse, neutral, forward. So a bit of a stopper there, so you can't slam it in park. But you go forward, reverse. Park is over there. You just gotta pull it a little bit your way, pull it over, and it clears the notch. Yeah. And then the winch control is on. So it's all done one hand, shifting and controlling the winch. It's beautiful. Oh baby, it's a dream machine. So up on the overhead console we got the switches for all the lights that are up on the roof and the back. And we got some custom lights up on the roof and the ceiling. One over there, one over there. And we got panorama sunroof up in here. Yeah, you know, because we need a sunroof while we're plowing snow. And we got the custom back window. These guys used to be the back side windows back when it was an Astro. Because now it's a Corvette. These are the windows from the back. They're just schmata together, but they work. We got the lights for the back. We got the lights for the front. We got the lights on the hood. We got a factory engine. Hell, I didn't even know there was an engine in here until I took all the shrouding away. I got some good tires on the front. Needless to say, they're a little bit too big. I got spare tires in the back. Crack. I'm just too cheap to put new tires on. Got the hitch package. He's got custom mirrors, custom paint, the blackout package, and a dent in the door.